Did you know that nearly 30% of kids skip breakfast every day? That's a huge problem because a nutritious breakfast can boost their energy levels and improve their focus in school. So let's dive into some easy and tasty breakfast ideas that your kids will love. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about easy and nutritious breakfast ideas for kids. It's super important to kickstart the day with a healthy meal. And I've got some fun options that are quick to make and will keep your little ones fueled for their busy day ahead. Now, let's get real for a second. As parents, we've all been there, right? Mornings can be chaotic getting the kids dressed, packed, and out the door. And in the midst of all that, finding a quick and healthy breakfast that kids actually want to eat can feel like a daunting task. Sometimes they just want cereal or toast, but we know there's more out there. It can be tough to strike that balance between nutrition and taste. Plus, with picky eaters in the mix, it can feel like a battle just to get them to eat anything at all. But don't worry, I've got some solutions that will help make breakfast time a breeze. Alright, let's jump into some delicious breakfast ideas that are not only easy to whip up but also super nutritious. First up, we have smoothie bowls. Just blend up some frozen fruits, yogurt, and a splash of milk. Pour it into a bowl and let the kids add their favorite toppings like granola, nuts, or sliced fruits. It's colorful, fun, and packed with vitamins. Next, how about overnight oats? Just mix rolled oats with milk or yogurt the night before and let them soak. In the morning, add honey, fruits, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. It's a no-fuss way to get a hearty breakfast ready. Another great option is whole grain avocado toast. Mash up some avocado on whole grain bread, sprinkle a little salt, and maybe add a drizzle of olive oil or a slice of tomato on top. It's creamy, satisfying, and full of healthy fats. And let's not forget about breakfast burritos. You can scramble some eggs, toss in some black beans, cheese, and any veggies your kids like. Wrap it all up in a tortilla, and you've got a breakfast that's easy to eat on the go. Now for the big reveal, my kids' absolute favorite breakfast, peanut butter banana pancakes. They're fluffy, delicious, and super easy to make. All you need is one mashed banana, an egg, and a scoop of peanut butter. Mix them all together, cook them up on a skillet, and watch them disappear. Trust me, your kids will be begging for seconds. Plus, you can top them with some fresh fruit or a drizzle of maple syrup for a little extra sweetness. So, there you have it. We've covered some fantastic breakfast ideas that are quick, easy, and nutritious. From smoothie bowls to overnight oats, and those yummy peanut butter banana pancakes. You've got plenty of options to keep your kids happy and healthy in the mornings.